Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be working on this pendant here. So we've got our pendant here. We have, it looks like a piece of glass and it is bezeled in. You can see the little teeth on the bezel, which is a nice detail. And all these leaves are like kind of got a carved feature to them. It's a pretty big piece. You can see that it's got some tarnish on it. So we're going to remove the tarnish. This piece of glass, the stone, is loose, so we're just going to crimp a little bit of this to make sure that it stays put. Tighten up this. So we're going to just show what a silver cleaner can do. A lot of pieces that are silver that don't have any rhodium plate on them, like the traditional 925 silver, it can tarnish over time. You might remember doing like silverware, the silver plate silverware turns like brown and that kind of stuff. And then you have to sit there and polish it. So we're going to do that a little bit with this, kind of show you what the result is. And then we're going to actually go through and polish. We've used the Jack's silver cleaner. So we've gotten the peach much brighter. There's a lot of recesses though that we can't really get into with like, a cloth in our hands. So this is kind of what we have going on. And we've got a lot, like these voids and stuff are hard to get into, and then along the insides of the wire. But for the most part, for just general at-home cleaning, just using a silver polish, cleaning up the metal, it'll keep the piece looking nicer for longer. After you exhaust kind of like doing that, you want kind of more of a deep clean. That's when you kind of need to go along the lines of using an ultrasonic and getting in there with little polishing brushes and that kind of stuff. And that'll get into the nooks and crannies. So we used a little bit of polishing compounds, and that helped get into some of the crevices that you wouldn't be able to get into without maybe like going in with like a toothbrush with the cleaning compounds. So the next step of this, so we're going to use the polishing wheel to go around and get the high spots. It'll even out the surface and give it more of a nice crisp polished look, more than what the Dremel type tools and brushes can do. And then we're gonna tighten this stone. It is loose. So in order to do that, you can see all the little kind of teeth on the bezel. So we'll push in some of that metal, and then that'll keep this piece of glass from moving around. And then you can also see that we've done the chain. So chain like this, it's really easy to just put it into a tumbler. So we have a tumbler with little pins on it, and that polished this right up. So that way it looks beautiful again and doesn't have that tarnish anymore. It's got a neat clasp style on it. Basically, it's got this little arc there. And this actually goes up through and then comes around and lays flush with this. So it locks the whole thing together. So what we just did was we polished up all the high spots. So we did the outside frame, the tops of the leaves. So we tried to get that, and it got rid of some of that graininess that the silver had and gives it this more of a smooth, polished look. Now it's going to go into the ultrasonic, get that compound off, and then we're going to go with a finer compound. All right, so we've got the metalwork cleaned up for the most part, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start bringing some of these teeth in. So if I hold this, you can see maybe, so it moves. So you can see that I'm like pushing it and the stone's literally rocking back and forth. So we're gonna bring in the metal on the teeth and tighten the stone. So we've tightened the stone. It no longer moves around now. What's good about this is that since we've pushed down all the little prongs there on the bezel, it'll decrease any sort of like it grabbing like cloth or fabric and that kind of stuff. So now the last step is basically to do like final polish, and yeah, that'll be it. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Thanks for joining us today. Finished up this piece, took it from tarnish to polish, and once again, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. All right, take care.